Hello! In this video I am going to show you tips and tricks how to increase your watch hours to monetize your YouTube channel within 2 weeks. Here is the proof. My first YouTube channel I got monetized within 12 days after doing this trick. So how I did this? Watch now without skip the video so you will not miss important details. Let's jump into it. First open your browser and clear all of your data. Now go to YouTube and log in with dummy account. Search your YouTube channel. Go to your video. Then click watch later on your videos. Now go to watch later to see the video you add. So you can see the video that you add. After that, clear your browser data once again. Open private browser and go to YouTube. Log into your dummy account. Go to your watch later and play all of the videos. And now mute the video. Change the quality of the video. Run fast your videos. Now duplicate tabs 10 times or more. So remember, only watch less than 1 hour, so YouTube won't to take the trick. After watching your videos, go to YouTube history and clear all watch history. And now you can close the browser and redo it. If you want to see the result, go to your monetization app after 2 days. Because the YouTube data process in 2 days delay process the real time. That's all. If you like this video, make sure click that subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified my future videos. Like, comment and share now.